Welcome along to the deep dive. Ever find yourself pouring time, maybe money, into a website, an online platform, and it just sort of sits there, looks nice maybe, but doesn't really do much? Well, that's kind of the online brochure trap. So today, we're taking a deep dive into a freelance web developer's profile. Their whole philosophy, actually, it offers a pretty powerful way out of that trap. Our mission here is to unpack what makes a digital presence really effective, what makes it an engine for your mission, not just some static page online.
Yeah. And, what immediately jumped out at me from this profile was this core belief they have that a website, it should be more than just an online brochure. Mm-hmm. It should be a powerful engine for your mission. Mm. It sounds pretty simple, right?
It does on the surface.
But when you really peel that back, it totally changes how you should think about your own digital footprint.
Absolutely.
It makes you stop and ask, okay, am I building a brochure here, or am I actually, engineering an engine? Something designed to hit my goals. And that's really where it gets interesting, because it's not just about making things look good. It's a complete reframe. It's all about strategic function.
Strategic function, okay.
Yeah, what's fascinating is how this developer seems to prioritize the why, the purpose behind the pixels. I mean,
Yeah.
They're building stuff for e-commerce brands needing sales conversions,
Right,
to these big global NGOs trying to make a huge impact, even complex universities serving students everywhere.
Wow, okay, so quite a range.
Exactly. And that range shows that this engine idea, it isn't some cookie cutter thing. It has to be deeply customized, tailored to specific goals you can actually measure.
So how do they do that? How do they build that active tool? The profile mentions this blend of WordPress mastery and strategic web infrastructure. That
Right.
sounds like more than just picking a nice theme.
Oh, much more. It's like, think about planning a city.
Okay.
You wouldn't just start throwing up buildings, right? You'd plan the roads, the power grid, the water, the whole infrastructure first.
Ah, okay. So the foundations.
Precisely. It's about architecting the whole digital ecosystem so it can grow, handle busy periods, stay secure. They talk about building custom e-commerce stores, for example, that don't just list products.
But actually sell them.
Exactly. They convert visitors. And that conversion focus, that's crucial. Like for an e-commerce site, yeah, a brochure just shows pictures. But an engine, the way this developer sees it, that involves thinking about the user's whole journey.
Making it smooth.
Yeah, intuitive navigation, maybe even content that adapts based on who's looking, guiding them towards actually buying something.
Right, makes sense.
It's this whole life cycle approach. It makes sure things are fast, reliable, sure, but also that they deliver actual business results. Basically, they handle the tech headaches.
So the client doesn't have to.
Exactly. So the client can just focus on their main thing, whether that's, selling coffee or coordinating aid somewhere.
Okay, and you mentioned global NGOs and universities earlier. This engine idea, it seems to scale globally too. The profile talks about understanding cloud deployment. Why is that such a big deal for making a website a powerful engine today?
Well, because it's all about performance everywhere, all the time. When we talk about cloud deployment, we're really talking about using these networks of servers spread across the globe.
Okay.
It's not just tech jargon. It's what gives you that seamless global reach and, crucially, super fast loading times.
Speed, right?
Yeah, so someone clicking your site in, say, Sydney, gets the same quick, responsive feel as someone, down the block from your office.
Which matters a lot now. People are impatient online.
Totally. A slow site loses people in seconds. So getting that foundation right, that cloud architecture, it dramatically boosts the user experience and, let's be honest, your chances of success. It's like the difference between handing out a local flyer and having your own global broadcast network.
Gotcha. Big difference. So let's bring this back to you, listening. We've sort of unpacked this idea that a website, if you approach it strategically, really can be more. It can be that powerful engine, not just decoration. It's about planning for impact, building something that can evolve, something that can scale up with whatever your mission is. So maybe think about this. How could focusing on that underlying architecture, that strategic function, how could that change the way you tackle your next digital project?
And maybe one final thought to leave you with, sort of the bigger picture question. Given everything we've talked about today, an incredibly noisy digital world, what does it really mean for your specific goals, your mission?
Yeah.
To build a digital presence that genuinely stands out. And crucially, how does understanding that invisible stuff, the architecture underneath it all, how did that help you achieve that standout presence? Something to think about.